lo usayithanda inkosi simbonile ahamba nathi masingabala kungasi simbona ahamba nathi sibonile endleleni ukuthi kuyini okuhambe kokunye ukwenza ufeel like you are distant from God. You don't feel like you are. Ngoba umoya oyingcwele awulenzi iphutha okuhambe kukwahlulela. Uyasahlulela umoya oyingcwele makungathi siyachezuka. Ngoba le feeling oyizwayo kufanele ukhumbule amazwi kaNkulunkulu ukuthi athini kuwe. Uthi uNkulunkulu kuye there is not even a shade of change. So if you feel that change, it's because someone has changed and is the one who is likely to change, or lo onako ukuphenduka noma ukuguquka okuyithi. There is not even a shade of change. Ngikhumbula lento yokuthi uzothola emakhaya kudlala ucansi ngaphansi kwesihlahla ngikholulele usemthunzini uthi mawuvuka uthunzwe uya uselangeni because isihlahla umthunzi uyahamba. uNkulunkulu ke umthunzi wakhe awuhamba. Makunenkinga ingxaki kithi nibonge ukuholi ukuthi namhlanje akube yimi ogqugquzela mina ngendlela engizigqugquzela ngayo mangikhuleka ukuze nawe bese uyasizakala. Ngoba indaba isekuthini lento esiza wena, you would not advise me ngePanado ongazange wayiphuza. Kufanele uke wayiphuza ukuze ukwazi ukungi-advise ukuthi hayi yasebenza. Yonke into eyenzeke from yesterday up to today ifakazela lento ebengifuna ukukhuluma ngayo, so I won't be long. Angizushumayela, ngizawufuna nje ukuhlanganisa iscript ngikwenzele lento ibe lula ukuze uyizwe ukuthi ihamba ithini. Why is it prayer and fasting today? That will be my why prayer and fasting anything. Because it is the advice given us by Jesus Christ. Uletha umfana onesithuthwane kubafundi. Ngiyacabanga bambeka izandla bajuluka. Igcina le ndoda ibanqungisibili. Ithi yongizami yeza kuKristu. NguMatthew 17:14-20 ngoba uzumfundi. Kahle ngeza kundaba yokuthi why fasting. Ngicela sifunde ngetrue fasting. Niyo incwadi esizawuyifunda, uzayifunda nje izazikhulumela. Mina ngizabe sengiyaqhubeka ngihlanganisa konke as I have compiled so that I make sense. Ngoba kaningi masinga compile sinako ukujampa ugcina ubala amabalendo kungahlangani. Ngicela siyifunde yona oyiphethe nga-one language siyifunde nje. Uma singayiqala Isaiah 58 ukhuluma nge-true fasting. Isaiah 58 singamfunda nje na from let me go there. Ngiyafuna nokunqamula but umnandi nje mawumfunda wonke. Ngiyafuna ukunqamula because of time. Ngicela sifunde is it not verse 6, from verse 6 uqala ngorada. Ngifuna lo rada ngoba ukhuluma nathi lokho kunye lokhu akunandaba uthi the kind of fasting, is it rather not this one? Let's start from verse 6. Osiphatheleo
Isaiah 56 verse 58 verse 6 to
asifunde verse figure ku verse 12.
The kind of fasting I want is this: remove the chains of oppression and the yoke of injustice, and let the oppressed go free. Share your food with the hungry, and open your home to the homeless poor. Give clothes to those who have nothing to wear, and don't refuse to help your own relative. Then my favor will shine on you like the morning sun, and your wounds will be quickly healed. I will always be with you to save you. My presence will protect you on every side. When you pray, I will answer you. When you call to me, I will respond. If you put an end on oppression, to every gesture of complaint, and to every evil way, if you give food to the hunger and satisfy those who are in need, then the kindness around you will turn to the brightness of you. And I will always guide you and satisfy you with good things. I will keep you strong and well. You will be like a garden that has plenty of water, like a spring of water that never runs dry. Your people will rebuild what has long been in ruins, buildings again on the old foundation. You will be known as the people who rebuilt the walls, who restored the ruined house.
Uma uyifunda le ncwadi, just by adhering to certain disciplines ezifunwa nguNkulunkulu, there's almost nothing to pray for, if you'd agree with me. Ngoba uthi uma uzenza lezi zinto, zonke lezi zinto, unqamula amaketane wababoshiwe, ungafuni ngamanga, ungathini, ugade ulimi lakho, izenzo zakho, konke lokho kunye kuyazizela. That is why uDavid athi impela okuhle nomusa kuzamlandela mangihlala endlini kaJehova kuze kube phakade. Kusho khona ukuthi uma ubheka this true fasting, neziboshwa ziyakuduka ukudla abazalwane. Uma siduka ukudla without doing the good that the Bible requires of us, asikenzini. So kuyadinga ukuthi sazi ukuthi yini le kufanele siyilandele. Kungani nilanda le ncwadi kunala uJobe abuza khona emkhulekweni, abuza kuNkulunkulu ukuthi ngabe inkosi ngeke ngagodla isandla sami kwabaswele na? Ngabe inkosi ngeke ngafulathela ngabheka the other way uma umfelokazi angibhekile aze amehlo akhe akhathale ukubheka? Ngoba lungaveli lo sizo kimi lo alibhekile ukuthi kungenzeka luzawubheka. That is what happened nangesiceli ba. Isiceba sizange sadlule esangweni samthuka uLazarus. No. But he looked the other way when the person was in need. And mawulazi iBhayibheli ukuthi uLazarus bekahlalelene esangweni. You know ukuthi abahlala esangweni bebenzani. Ngoba namhlanje kunalabo abahlala esangweni bapolisha izicathulo zabantu, abakudala bebageza abantu izinyawo uma bazongena emizini bese babapha lokababapha kona. Just because Lazarus bekaseka nezilonda, angeke ngithintwe naye lo. Okay, unezilonda ke angeke akuthinta akugeze, yes, ngoba mhlawumbe neBhayibheli yakuvuma lo. But you could have done something else. You could have given because he is in need. Ungezi namehlo wakhe aze akhathale, abe worried by looking and not receiving anything from a child of God. Umkhuleko wakhe usho njalo, uzifuna yena uthi inkosi nginjenje uJobe, nginjenje ngabe ngeke ngathi look the other way na, mawumfelokazi onesidingo abheke ngethemba, ngimbheka ngenzi lutho. Ngabe angilulanga isandla kwabahluphekile noma kuzihambi. So uJobe uzibheka kule side lela alazi ukuthi kwangathi is slightly lacking. Ucela ungizwe kahle. Ubheka le side engathi kulo he slightly lacking. Meaning ukuthi all else he could have fulfilled. Just like the rich man who came to Jesus. Athi kungafanele ngenzeni ngene embusweni wakhe. uthi uKristu enza lokhu naloku ukuthi hayi bangazi la ngumfarisi by profession ngiyakwenza lokhu kahle nje uthi oh you lacking one ufuna iperfection you lacking one le ndawo emchallengeayo yena yokuthi thengisa ngonako kwabela bampofu yaphela conversation because God knows what challenges you. So even the part that challenges you, tell God about it so he can perfect you. Ukuze umkhuleko wakho uzobizwa njengomuntu ovuselela amabona. Uthi you shall be called the rebuilders of ancient walls. Niwakhe ku the old foundations, not their mind. Uma kungukuthi abakudala bekathi uKristu makavela amadimoni azixelele ukuphuma ezingulubeni angene ukuphuma emntwini angene ezingulubeni. That's the old foundation. We want that. Sifuna lokho uyayazi lento challenge. Talk to God about it. Akulungise ukuze umkhuleko wakho uzoba effective. Not that we seeking bazalwane uKristu, that's why athi oh you seeking perfection. Uyazi ukuthi nani is perfect. But ke before ungena emkhulekweni usho njalo uJakobe the sons of Dan uthi each time manizokhulekelana anivumi izono zenu omunye komunye nikhulekelane ngaphambi kokubanye bekani izandla ngoba it is the prayer of the righteous. We are going to iqala lenkulumo akati prayer of the righteous because of a daily living, but it is prayer of the righteous by saying God I'm gonna approach your throne now. Umosi, that's why we khulula izimbadada because he was not perfect. No Joshua khulula izimbadada Joshua ngoba ngilo maphambi kwesihlalo sobukhosi sikaNkulunkulu because he's not perfect. Gezanani izinyawo usho njalo uKristu on the last supper day. Ngoba uthi I hope you understand what I've just said to you. It's because akusikuhle for abazalwane ukufulathelana bagcine bangakhulumisana ungasazi ukuthi what happened. Bese sibuya sizofuna ukuhlangana sihlangana ngomkhuleko wodwa simunye iunity uNkulunkulu uyayifuna abantu benkosi. It's not a choice. Uthi eAntioch bebahlangene bamunye bashare in everything, and therefore God added unto them daily new people who were being saved because of the things that happened inside the church. Ngoba benze lokhu okufunwa nguNkulunkulu. Nawe uyayazi le part ekwenza ukuthi ekuchallenge le engabe uKristu uyikhulume kuwe ukhulume kulesiqebu ngoba yazi ukuthi ubambelele kuzinto zelizwe. NoJobe uyazifuna ukuthi hey ngabe ngenze alright mhlambe uNkulunkulu ubona le mfuyo eyandile ubheka nabasokole ngaphandle. Could be that ubheka ukuthi isilulu sakho bank balance yakho uhlala uyizwe uyiphuze usmile kodwa moya. Kanti kuzimu ithi lo mntana kamakhelwane akana school bag nje wena ujabulela ama bank balance. That is why uHananiya noZafira bafela lokho. Not ukuthi ngoba bawithhold imali yabo. Yeah, they never told the truth. Isono lesono sababulala esokungakhuluma iqiniso. Mhlawumbe ngabe bashilo nje ukuthi hayi enye sizibekele ngoba sakuthi kuzawuphela bese sidani sasa. They lied before God. uKristu uthi mabamsegisa bathi sitshele ukwenza njani ukuthini akaphendulanga. Bathi now sifuna usitshele ngegama likaNkulunkulu. In the name of God tell us. He responded makukhulunywa ngegama likaNkulunkulu. He would not respond to human interrogation, but mase bamuntu interrogator ngegama likaNkulunkulu. Uyakhumbula ukuthi there is one that I will never keep quiet to, and there is one engeke ngakhuluma amanga phambi kwakhe. Not ukuthi ngithi uKristu bekazokhuluma amanga, but he's teaching us a lesson yokuthi when it comes to the issues of God, learn to speak. Nokufuna ukuthi ngabe yini le shodayo. Uthi u1 John uthi what confidence do we have ukuthi esikucelayo siyakuphiwa. Uthi as long as we ask for what is in line with the will of God. In line with the will of God ibonakala kuhani. Obheke ukuthi kushodana enkonzweni. Wathi yo lezi imusa edlalwa la badlala amathayithayi webhola bajampela ngapha ithi mina ngicela indodana bese nje uNkulunkulu ngizakupha yona ugibeza icebo lakhe phezulu likaNkulunkulu. That is why they got a son. Uye kukhulekela komina usho njalo futhi uJakobe uthi niyacela nithole. It's because you're asking for selfish ambitions. Izinto ezithandwa nguwe awubheki ukuthi kufunakalani. Usho ukuthi mawungathandazela ukuthi akube ne ivehicle la enkonzweni la angeke uhambe mahalo ke emakotini. Learn ukukhulekela into kaNkulunkulu ezokusiza nawe. Asking for what is in line with the will of God. Gibeza izimfuno zakho ilift phezu kwezimfuno zikaNkulunkulu. It will then help you. uNkulunkulu asize. Ngiyabonga.